Brief Sapporo. Dear students, today we deal with the feminine nouns. Feminine nouns. Usually the nouns ending in tho are feminine singular. Tho. Usually the nouns ending in tho are feminine singular, and those ending in otho with the plural sign are feminine plural. Words ending in tho form their plural by adding an additional scopho vowel, means o vowel, to the letter that just precedes tho, then it will be otho. See once again, feminine nouns. Usually the nouns ending in tho are feminine singular, and those ending in otho with the plural sign are feminine plural. How the feminine plural is formed? Words ending in tho, in order to form their plural form, adds additional scopho vowel to the preceding letter. Scopho means o vowel, o. Then we will get otho. Otho. For example, malkuto, queen, malkuto, queen, malkuto. Malkoto, plural form. Otho with the plural sign. Malkoto. Then tobuto, good, toboto. Shapirto, beautiful, shapiroto. Bishto, bad, bishoto. Yolupto, student, yolupoto. Kashirto, diligent, kashiroto. Rabuto, great, raboto. Rohamto, friend, rohamoto. Hakimto, wise, hakimoto. Mahirto, skill, mahiroto. Kadishto, holy, kadishoto. Surto, small, suroto. Sobuto, old, soboto. Words ending in uto are changed into voto with siome to get their plural number. For example, malkuto, malkuto, uto, malkuto, kingdom. Malkuvoto, plural form, malkuvoto. See, u changed into o, malkuvoto. Kingdoms. Then, hubeno nutu, hubeno nutu, idleness. Hubeno nuvoto, plural form, hubeno nuvoto. Mayataruto, virtue. Mayatarvoto, virtues. Aminuto, constantly. Aminuvoto, plural form. Hayuto, animal. Haivoto, plural form, animals. Abiduto, lost one. Abiduvoto, plural form, lost ones. Then words ending in etho are changed into iotho with siome to get their plural number. For example, Gubito, gubito, gabioto. Gubito, gabioto. Gubito, gabioto. Gubito means selected one. Gubito. Gabioto, selected ones. Gabioto. Hilito, halioto. Hilito, sweet. Hilito, halioto. Tilito, girl. Talioto, tilito, talioto. Then words ending in nito, na, nito are changed into nyoto with siome to get their plural number. See once again, words ending in nito are changed into nyoto with siome to get their plural number. For example, malponito, malponito, lady teacher. Malponito, teacher. Malponiyoto, malponiyoto, plural form. Musamshonito, deaconess, deaconess. Musamshoniyoto, plural form. Hailtonito, strong one. Hailtonito, strong. Hailtoniyoto, strong ones, plural form. See the exceptions. Exceptions. Abo, abohe. It is different from the last seen grammatical forms. Abo, abohe. Emo, plural form, emohe. Abo means father. Abohe, fathers. Emo, emohe, mothers, mother, mothers. Aho, brother. Ahe, brothers. Hoso, sister. Ahavoso, sisters. Bro, son. Benayo, sons. Bartho, daughter. Benoto, daughters, plural form. Gabaro, man. Gabare, men. Atuzo, woman. Neshe, women. Women. Abudo, servant. Abude, servants. Amto, maid servant. Feminine form, amto, maid servant. Amahoto, maid servants. Plural form. Hurino or Rina, Hurino, other one, another. Chrone, plural form. Chrone, plural form. Hrito, other one, plural form. Chronioto, chronioto. Talio, tuloe. Tilito, talioto. Melto, melso or melto, word, word. Mele, plural form, words. Mele. Barnosho, man, man, human being. Barnosho. Benignosho, barnosho, benignoso. See the difference? These are exceptions. Royo, shepherd, plural form. There are two plural forms. Ro ayo and ro avoto. It is a feminine form. Ro ayo, ro avoto. Mi ataruto, virtue. Mi ataravoto. Miyataruto, miyataravoto. Saneyo, kind, manner, different kinds. Saneyo, snayo, snayo, saneyo, snayo. See once again, see these words and study the different opposite gender and exceptions. Thank you.